Mike. I am with Tribedor.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a room and add content to your room. This is assuming that you've created an account. Accounts are free. So what you get is you get a little button here. You click on the button. You get a listing of information here, basically saying what your account is, what you have to say about your business. For example, is it an entertainment business? Is it a product or a service? Is it a personal room? Like, is it just a room that you're creating just for your friends to stop by? Is it a room that's uh, okay for everyone, young adults or grown-ups? Sort of like a rating scale. Basically, if you're a business, do you want people to be able to review you? You'd click that, and then you'd have a review ID here. So let me get into the content section. In order to create your own room, you're going to need to add content. So what you're going to want to do is click this content tab here, click the add button, choose a file to add. Let's see, add this. And then I want to give it a title. And then let's say I wanted to make the item searchable. So I have up to 3 tags. And you have to separate the tags by comma. So I would save that. All right, and now I have my content here. There are 2 different kinds of content. You have content and you have a poster. A poster is sort of like what your banner would be for your social media. So I want to add a poster. So what do I need to do here? I want to add my logo. Click that. Posters don't have titles or comments. You just save that. Once that's done and everything looks good to you, or let's say I wanted to add something else. I want to add this image right here. Preview. Give it a title. Save it. And you save changes when all done. Once that's done, you have content in your tab. Here, if you had a business and people were submitting reviews, your reviews would show up here. We also have a game campaign where you can have a coupon and assign it to a game, and then give the game a point tolerance. So that way, if somebody wants to play a game and win a coupon, they can. And you have a little check code right here. You can check with that. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of Tribedor. Let's go into the first person view. So right here, this is your walls section. So when you're in your walls section, you're going to basically select a street view and then an inside view. Now these are the standard. This is the standard layout here. So what you can do is you could select one of our defaults, or you can actually choose an image to show. Let's say I'm going to show this for the front door. And click that. Click save. And if I wanted to update the inside of the room, I would look here. This is basically what people are going to see when they first walk in. This is going to be what's to the right. This is going to be what's behind them. This is what's going to be, to the left. This is what's going to be in the ceiling, and this is what's going to be on the floor. Now you can change these images whichever way you want. You can make any kind of image that you want. Really, just you can go wild with this. So then once you're done with that, you want to go in here to your Decorate Room tab. Now when you're in your Decorate Room, this is the designer. It's preferred that you use a PC or a Mac, preferably like a laptop of some sort, and a mouse with a trackball in order to design your room. What you can do is click on My Stuff. You can add images and video. Let me refresh this. All right, now my stuff's showing up here. So you can add an image. Let's say you want to add your poster. That might take a second to load. Preferably, you'd want to do this with a regular LAN connection. Try that again. All right, so what we need to do is how Tribedor works is it caches your content. So what you're going to want to do is go in here, click on all this fancy stuff. Make sure your images are cached. Go and decorate room. Got my stuff. Then I want to add an engine. I can add it. You'll see your image down here. You can zoom in on it. You can zoom away from it. Go up here and click images. Click that. You can scale it to whatever size you want. You can bring it up, bring it down, bring it back, closer, left, right. You can rotate it around. You can rotate it up. And what you could do is take that and slide that back here. Slide that up there if you wanted to. And then let's say you wanted to have background music. What you could do is pick from our lovely classifications or lovely standard music here. So let's say I want to do that. Add music. Once your music shows up, starts playing, you're good to go. Or if you don't want to do anything, you can click done. You can click add music. If you wanted to, you could click choose a file. Pick a file that you want to upload, like an MP3. And once you're done, you preview this bad boy. So you're in the preview mode, and you can take a look at your room. Scoot up. And you can see what your room looks like. So the rooms are infinitely configurable. They can be an infinite number of items can be added. Preferably don't go overboard with video because there's an issue with the rendering, but for the most part, feel free to go to it. Another couple of things you should note in here, if you want to make your room public, what you're going to want to do is click all done. Make it public, click all done. Go back here, and then make sure anytime you make an update to publish it. And then once that's done, it should show up in the mall and you'll be good to go. Have yourself a solid day.